What's up guys, Mchanga here, back with another video. So if you're like me, you're tired of paying for multiple subscriptions just to be able to watch the things you like, well, I might just have an app for you. Now this is going to include movies, TV shows, sports, live TV, and even pay-per-view. You're going to be able to have everything in one place, and I'm going to walk you through step by step how to get it installed on your devices. And it doesn't matter if you are using a Google TV device, Android TV, or even any of the Amazon Fire TV devices. You'll be able to follow these steps and get it installed. Now, in this video, I am using my Onn 4K Pro, but these steps are going to work on the other devices I mentioned as well. Okay, so the first step, we're going to need to locate the downloader app. So you'll be able to search for that in the App Store on your device. So you want to go ahead and scroll on over to your search function, click on it, and type in downloader. All right, it's going to be the very first option in the list. Downloader will always be by AFTV News. When you click on it, you're going to have the option to install it if you don't already have the app. Of course, if you already have it, you can fast forward or you can wait for everyone else to catch up. But once you click to install it, it should only take a moment to load up. All right, once that is installed, you want to open it up. Once you click on open, you're going to get to this screen and you want to navigate your way up to the search bar and you can go ahead and click on it. All right, so step number 2, we're going to install Unlinked. You can go ahead and type in the code that I'm going to show you here. Once you type that in, you can hit the check mark or whatever the selection is on your remote. You're going to give it a few moments to load the link up. Okay, so if you already have the Unlinked app, you may get a pop-up asking you if you want to update it. You can feel free to do so. All right, so once it is installed, you want to go ahead and click on Done. And now you want to go scroll over to Delete because you don't want to take up extra space on your device when you will no longer need this download. All right, so hit Delete again. And now we're going to go back to our home screen. All right, so we want to go back to our apps here. And now we're going to locate the app we just downloaded. So if you scroll on over, you're going to see Unlinked. So go ahead and click on it. Now, if you've already followed some of my videos and you already have my store, you won't need to re-add it. But for everyone else, if this is your first time, you're going to see Add a New Library. So go ahead and click on it. All right, and now you're going to type in my store code. So click on the blinking cursor. All right, you can go ahead and hit the check mark or press the center button on your remote once you're done typing it in. And this is going to be the first screen you see here. You want to go ahead and click on Enter. All right, so now you want to scroll on over. It's going to be multiple options to choose from, but in this video, this is the app that we're looking for right here on your screen. You want to click on it and you want to click Download. Once it's done downloading, you want to click on Install App. If it asks you if you want to install it, click on Install again. Now we're just going to give it a moment. Okay, so once it's done, we're going to go back to our apps. Now if you scroll down, it's going to be at the very end of the list. So just to make sure I stay within YouTube guidelines, I'm not going to open the app up for you guys, but I promise it's going to be a great app that has a lot of content, and it includes all of the entertainment that I told you about for free. Before you go and open the app up, you want to make sure you have your VPN turned on. So if you don't already have your username and your password, you need to make sure you click the link in the video description. It'll take you to the website. You can go ahead and get signed up for your plan, and you're going to get an email with your username and password. And that's what you're going to use to log into your VPN app. If you don't currently have the app, which is Private Internet Access or PIA, installed on your device, I'm going to show you how you can easily get it. We're just going to go right on back to Unlinked to head right back to my app store. All you have to do is scroll right on down until you see Private Internet Access or PIA. You click on it, you download it. Once it's downloaded, click on Install App. Click Install again. Once that's done, as usual, you head right on back to your apps, and you're going to see it right at the end. Now again, it's super important that you turn on your VPN before you access this content, because keep in mind, this is from a third party. So you want to make sure that you don't have your internet provider snooping around in your viewing business. And you can use this VPN on not just your streaming box, but any of your other devices, phones, tablets, laptops, desktop computers. It's going to be compatible with all of those. And of course, if you have any questions or you have any problems getting set up, let me know down in the comment section. And also keep in mind, Private Internet Access has 24/7 support to help you out. So I'm going to go ahead and open up PIA, my VPN, and right away, it's going to ask you to log in. Now, once you've used the link in the video description to go ahead and get your account set up, and you have the email with your username and your password, this is where you're going to come to input that information. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put in my information so I can get connected. If you get a message letting you know that PIA needs access to your VPN configurations to secure your traffic, make sure you click on OK, and then click on OK again. I'm just going to choose optimal location. You can feel free to scroll if you like, but majority of the time you want to just choose whichever one has the lowest milliseconds in speed. And you're going to see it is connected now. Once you have verified that you are connected and you now have your VPN IP address, you can go and explore any of the third-party apps. I only showed you one in this video, but there are many, many more, and I'm going to be posting videos covering some more apps that you haven't seen yet. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this one, guys. I really hope it was helpful for you. Make sure you show me some love and let me know down in the comment section if you like this video. If so, make sure you leave me a like. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and make sure you turn on the bell icon so you'll never miss my new videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.